How to see blocked accounts on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your blocked accounts on Twitter app easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is go to Twitter app. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then go down and choose settings and privacy right here. Click on it and choose the fourth option, it's privacy and safety. Now choose the fourth option again, it's mute and block. Click on it like this, and here you will find four options, and here is the blocked accounts option. Click on it, and right here you will find all your blocked accounts easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.